Hi, this is Chris Schultes. The UCDA and Y Management are proud to bring you an all-new one-day workshop for new sales consultants called Fast Start, an introduction to professional automotive sales. The workshop is available live or online. This information-packed, energetic, and motivating day will provide your new sales consultants with a modern, customer-pleasing sales process to sell both new and used vehicles. Vehicle presentation and closing skills are also included in this day, along with valuable insights as to how to survive and succeed in the retail automotive industry. The workshop is facilitated by one of Canada's most experienced and forward-thinking sales trainers. Hector Bosotti is real. He has sold cars in both Australia and Canada and worked in every sales and management position, including general manager of large metropolitan dealerships. Hector has delivered training in Canada, the United States, and Germany for both franchise dealers and independent used car dealers. He has written and facilitated national training for BMW Group Canada, Mercedes-Benz Canada, General Motors of Canada, Fiat-Chrysler Canada, TD Bank, Scotiabank, and many more. As a training organization, Y Management works with many of the most successful dealer groups and largest independent used car dealers in the country, and has written and facilitated certified pre-owned training for 6 automotive manufacturers. More importantly, we are the proud training partner of the UCDA. Great and growing organizations view training as an investment, not an expense. Your people are your most valuable asset. Apple provides 3 weeks of off-site training in the United States to train people that sell cell phones and computers for up to $2,000 at their mall retail stores. Train your people to sell vehicles for $20,000 to $100,000. The cost and stress of constant staff turnover is far more expensive than professional training. As we like to remind you, what's worse than training a person and having them quit? Not training them and having them stay. To register for our next Fast Start one-day workshop, contact Valerie McLean or Michelle Prince at the UCDA. To learn more about our full 5-day entry-level sales program and more UCDA discounts, visit ymanagement.com. Thank you for watching. I'm Chris Schultes.